Hi everyone, myself Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, Dr.SNS Arcas. Today we are going to see about a presentation layer. Already we have seen about lot of layers. So today we are going to see the importance and how the representation layer can be useful in the categories in the network and what are the benefits and what are the format we have to follow. So, bridging data and user experience, we can call it as a bridging data and user experience. So, the presentation layer plays a crucial role for enhancing the user experience. It acts like a bridge between data and the users, ensuring that the information is not only accessible but also engaging. That means not only sending the information from one host to another host, they have to accessing the data. That is, we have to convert the data into encryption method and we have to encode the data by using different technology. Again, decryption can be done, can be received by the users. So the presentation explore how they effectively unlock the power of this layer to improve interactions. Understanding the presentation layer, so it is an interference through which user interact with the data. It encapsulates various elements such as UI design, layout, interoperability. So by mastering this layer, developer can create intuitive experience that resonates with an user and facilitate better data and comprehension. This is the structure of the presentation layer. It is responsible for converting the data into standard formats. So, for example, they have to use different technology for converting the encryption. Like I'm saying about an encryption method. ASCII for formatting is there, FCTIC format, JPEG, MPEG, BMP, WAV, MP3, etc. There are different technologies and algorithms methods are used for converting the data. So we have performed lot of tasks while transmitting the information in the presentation layer, like encoding and decoding, encryption and decryption, compression and decryption technology can be followed. This is the structure of the presentation layer. It receives the information from the application layer in the host 1, send the information to the session layer, again presentation layer, information can be sent to the physical layer in host B, physical layer to above layers, session layer, presentation layer and application layer. Data can be sent like this format. The presentation layer translates one data format to the another one. So it will need some software for converting the informations. This is the another structure of the presentation layer: encryption, decryption and compression. In right side, decoded, decrypted and decompressed. Methodology can be followed for sending the receiving information. So user experience is an pivotal in determining how efficient user can navigate and utilize information. Here, user engagement and satisfaction should be followed while transmitting the information in the presentation layer. Briding, we can call it as in briding the gap between data and the users. So it's essential to focus the data visualization and storytelling. But effective visualization representation makes complex information digestible while compiling narrative enhance user connection. So there should be a gap between the user and the data. It should be clearly converted and given to the above layer without any discrepancy. Then implementation and success presentation layer requires adhering to best practices such as consistency, accessibility, and responsive design should be there. From this, we have concluded how the presentation layer can be worked and what are the benefits we require. So, that is data received from the physical layer. First of all, data received from the application layer in the host 1 can be sent the information to the presentation layer. Whatever data we have request, whatever data we have received from the host A, it can be converted from the application layer to the presentation layer. Presentation layer will maintain the data by encrypting. After that, we have to use some methodology for encoding. Then compressed data can be sent to the below a layer, that is session layer. Session layer gather the information and make some conversion for transmitting the information from session layer to transport layer. Transport layer have to choose whether they have to send the information from TCP layer or UDP layer. TCP means data communication can be done by using the transmission control layers. That is either a connection oriented and connection less protocol required for sending the information. After that, data can be converted and it can be sent to the physical media in the host 1. Again, host 2 receive the information from the host 1 and automatically it convert the information. Encoding here means decoding, compression, decompressing, then encryption method, decryption method can be done while transmitting the information. Automatically, presentation layer need to receive the information, make some process to the application layer. After that, it transmits the information to the host 1 in the same procedural manner, but here decryption methodology can be used. These are the some of the aspects we have to face while using the presentation layer. From this, I conclude this session. Thank you.